Hey my friends, welcome to Choice Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the Matplotlib library in Python on Mac. Before we begin the installation, I will show you in which version of Python I'll be installing the Matplotlib library. So the command to check the Python version is python 3 hyphen hyphen version. Good. You see, I have Python 3.13.5 installed, which is the latest version of Python available at the time of recording this video. If you also want to upgrade to this version, then you can watch the video in the I button. Now we'll begin the installation. So first thing that we are going to do is to create a Python project folder. I'm going to create that folder on my desktop. So I'm going to use the cd command to get inside my desktop. And over here, using the mkdir command, I'm going to create my Python project folder, which I'm going to name as matplotlib underscore project. I hit enter and you can see that this folder has been created, matplotlib underscore project. Now I'm going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Alright. Here we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated, so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It is python 3 -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. I'm going to keep the name as matplotlib underscore venv. I hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means the virtual environment is successfully created. Good that it hasn't thrown any error. Now let's check if the virtual environment has been created or not using the ls-l command. And you can see matplotlib underscore venv created. Now let's make it active. How to make it active? The command is simple again. It's source and the name of the virtual environment /bin/activate. We hit enter again and you can see it has become active. Finally, it's the time to install the Matplotlib library, for which the command is pip install matplotlib. We hit enter and you can see the installation has begun. Alright, I'm so glad to see that it has ended well. It says successfully installed, and in a bunch of packages, we find the Matplotlib 3.10.3 as well. But we are going to test its installation. So to do that, we are going to enter into a Python prompt using the python 3 command like this. And over here, we are going to import the Matplotlib library. Now, if this statement is successful, then we have successfully installed the Matplotlib library in our virtual environment. And there we go. Let's do one more thing. Let's test the version of the Matplot library installed. So we'll write print within its brackets. We'll write matplotlib dot double underscore version double underscore. And it should come out as 3.10.3. And it has. And it matches with what we installed over here, right? So one final thing that you need to keep in mind is that after your installation is done or after your work is done, you should deactivate the virtual environment, because that's a good practice. The command to deactivate a virtual environment is simply deactivate. And there you go. Plain and simple. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Matplotlib library in Python on Mac from this video of Choice Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.